Hey guys, I'm OG123, and you know what I hate? You know what really drives me up the wall? Yeah, it's this thing here called Windows Vista. It's just on this laptop here. Just there. Now, I borrowed this very laptop from my school because it's got a program on it called Sibelius. Now, if you don't know what Sibelius is, it's a really good program, it's really cool, and it works on most systems. And what it does is it allows you to tab out your guitar music, or allows you to put your melodies into a script form, so like on staves. And it's really, it's relatively easy. You can play into it with a USB piano and it'll pick up all the notes if you're doing it relatively slowly. And if you're using a guitar, it can have a fretboard at the bottom. It's really user friendly and it's a lovely system. But running it on Windows Vista means if you right-click something, press copy, and then click away, as you normally would in any other operating system, it goes, no, don't like it, don't like it at all. And so what happens after that is it crashes and then says, do you want to send an error report? And then when you do try and send an error report, because it's a school computer, it doesn't work for the internet. Wireless WAN and LAN is like destroyed, so you're not allowed to do it. And that really irritates me. Another thing that irritates me about Windows Vista is the fact that I know this was only sort of around when Windows 7 came about, but I don't understand why people didn't do it before. The whole snap thing, you can't do that on Windows Vista. You get the Windows set, that's so useful, so useful. Say if you're, I just coming from someone who plays Minecraft, if you're trying to install mods on Minecraft, this is just one example, such a nerd. If you're trying to install mods on Minecraft, it's so useful to have one zip folder open next to another one perfectly like that. It is amazingly useful. It's amazingly useful if you're on the internet searching information, and then you got the your Windows document open for school. For homework, you can have one open there, one open here. You can have a Skype call going, and your homework up. So you can, if you're talking to someone face to face on a camera, and you can have both things open at once and you can see each other. It's brilliant. And Windows Vista doesn't have that. Not only that, but it's slow and it's clunky and it doesn't give you that response and user friendliness that you need. And I think Windows Me was actually better than this. I mean, this is awful. And I don't, you see, when they were making Windows Vista, Bill Gates just went, we're billionaires, you know what we should do? We should try and make the most annoying thing we can think of. And they just went, I guess we could put a system that just crashes all the time. And yeah, you know what? Let's put a system that crashes all the time, even after like loads of updates. Even the premium version crashes. Well, Bill, isn't that kind of like sticking it to the guys that bought your stuff over these years? Yeah, it'll make Zune's sales go really well. What Zune? You'll see in a minute. And then it failed. Yeah. So I guess that's a rant over about Windows Vista. I hate Windows Vista and all it stands for. But Windows 7 is awesome. I'm a Windows 7 guy. I like a PC better than a Mac because Macs are really irritating. Really irritating. I'm not like I'm not like a Windows fanboy, and I'll never be an Apple fanboy, but it's just the operating system just isn't good. I haven't got Lion yet, so I guess that's why. But yeah, leave me a comment below to tell me your worst operating system, or if I'd actually quite like to know, because I know I've got a couple of coders and programmers in my sort of subscribers list. I'd quite like to know what their favourite OS system is, because I know a lot of them use Linux. Or is that Linux? Am I going to get loads of little angry messages going, oh, it's pronounced Linux actually, or no, it's pronounced Linux. I know that if you put like a misspell in like a Facebook message, it gets like 1,000 dislikes. Just people writing, dislike, it's actually spelled like this, and somebody else go, your comment was spelled like this, and then they go, wait a minute, yours was spelled like... Anyway, that's an entirely different rant altogether. I guess I can make that some more time. But thank you for watching, guys. I'll have a few more videos posted, and I'm doing a sort of like a little update now. I am going to start a new gaming channel, just separate from this one, because the gaming ones and this one weren't very popular. I don't think they were really done to the right audience, and so what I'm going to do is put them on a separate gaming channel, and we're going to be playing Final Fantasy on the Game Boy Advance, but because of technical problems, it won't be a live commentary. It will be dubbed. So that'll be a lot of fun. I'll be able to sort of go back and just sort of, I'm pretty sure half the time I'll be going, oh, what was I thinking? And then sort of going, oh, turn left, there's something there, there's something there, there's something there, you need it. And then I'll get really annoyed and I'll have to take it down and put up another one, and I'll be going, hi guys, remember last time when I missed that thing? Well, I went and started a new save and now I'm going to go and get that thing. And then I missed something else doing that. Anyway, when I actually start up this channel, I will give you a link to it. Okay guys, I will see you later. Thank you, and I hope to hell you're not watching this on Windows Vista, because if so, it's about to crash.